Last July 23, a memo was signed by no other than Secretary of Justice Laila De Lima with regard to the immigration lookout bulletin order of Police Superintendent Colonia. This just means to say if he has any attempt to go out of the country, appropriate courses of action will be done by the Bureau of Immigration, informing therein the prosecutors and even the Department of Justice with regard to what appropriate action should be done. We will give you a copy of the Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order so that at least you will be able to know and satisfy yourself, because this is different from a home departure order. Okay. While this is ongoing, the progress of the case should be relayed to the Secretary of Justice or the DOJ so that they would be able to know what to do next or what appropriate action should be done. On the case of Navarro with regard to Mahalia, investigation is still ongoing so that we would be able to see to it that the case will be very airtight.
Sir, this is your last na